Exercise 1:1. Pronunciation notes. The apostrophe N shows when N is followed by a vowel or Y sound and needs to be clearly separated. For example, kinen, kinen, not kenen. Honyaku, honyaku, not honyaku. Words and meanings. Kokoro, heart. Painting. Take, bamboo. Tore, bird. Tore, street. Ringu, apple. Fufu, married couple. Oto, sound. Otto, husband. Kinen, anniversary. Kenyan, non-smoking. Honyaku, translation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!